Hello guys! So this guide is about how to move your base and it's your recommendation on when or where to move. So to start relocating your base, just press B to enter build mode. Once in build mode, just press Z to enter territory relocation mode. While in this mode, you will be provided a replica of your base, just like this. And for a better view of the placement and the surroundings, you can go into flight mode. Just press this on your keyboard. Keep in mind that there is a 10 minutes cooldown every time you move your base. If you are planning to relocate to a further location, just go to your preferred area on the map. So here is my base, and I'm planning to relocate it near my brother's base. So I could steal some of his materials. No, I just usually craft and prepare my items on his base since he has all the maps. So I want to be near his base. So what I will do now is travel to his spot. So as you can see here, it's quite far. So let's teleport. So the reason why he's in this location is because this area is good for acid farming. So from here, I will just press B, then letter Z. So now what we need to do is look around until our outline turns green for the right spot. If the outline is still red, try rotating the base with your scroll wheel or adjust the base height with Alt plus scroll wheel. So as an indicator, the white outline is your territory area and the red outlines are other players' territory areas. And when placing your base near other player, you can snap yours beside their territory. And you can disable the grid snap by pressing caps lock. You can also relocate your base to a different world. Just go to any teleportation tower and press G. Then go to your preferred world. And after that, just place your base anywhere to move your base on that world. When moving your territory, consider your current progression in the game. If you want to prioritize fishing, you can move near a river or sea. Moving near or along a river can provide flowers like scarlet calamus, which is good for making fruit tea. It's also a great place to put hydraulic generators for energy. While living near the sea will get you easy access to salt and shellfish. And if you want to prioritize mining, you can live at the following areas depending on what you want to mine. It is also a good idea to put your base in the following places, such as near a teleportation tower, so you can teleport back to your base even when your base teleport is on cooldown. Near strongholds. Since strongholds provide tons of quests, traders that we can use to buy and sell, and it also has its own teleporter. Near a farm or animal habitat for easy access for plants and meat. Polluted zones. This is where you can place deviation energy generator for base power, or place a water pump to collect polluted water which can be turned into acid. And last but not the least is oil fields, where you can place water pump to collect crude oil which can be turned into portable mixed fuel. That is all for today and hope this video helped you and thanks for watching.